WITec ist Hersteller von
WITec manufactures high-resolution near-field atomic force microscopes and Confocal Raman Systems. WITec has been in the business for 21 years and has had a business relationship with PI for just as long. We use piezo scanning stages from PI in our systems. All scanning stages that we use have capacitive control, which means that capacitive sensors actively control the piezo stages. Lateral resolutions in a range below 10 nanometers and 1 nanometer in the Z direction are necessary for atomic force and near-field microscopy. The stages are very good at doing this, even with very large scanning areas of 100 or 200 micrometers. In the case of confocal Raman microscopy, it is possible to achieve resolutions of 200 nanometers, but the stages must be able to achieve a resolution of considerably less than 100 nanometers. Capacitive sensors are also helpful in this case. For example, it is virtually impossible to achieve this with stepper motors. Of course, the fact that both companies have a similar philosophy is a great advantage for cooperation. The products from PI have a very high quality, are very precise and also comply with WITec's philosophy.
The
combination of a very large scanning range and the high precision capacitive control means that PI is a unique partner for us.